Hey guys, welcome back to David's Tutorials. I'm going to show you a simple and legit way to earn free Robux in 2025.
The app we're talking about is called Microsoft Rewards. It's totally free, works both on PC and mobile. Basically, you earn points by doing super easy tasks like using Bing to search the web, doing quizzes, or playing Xbox Game Pass games. You don't even have to spend money. Once you build up enough points, you can redeem them for a free Roblox gift cards. And yes, these cards can give you real Robux you can use in the game. To get started, just download the Microsoft Bing app or open browser and go to the rewards.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account, start earning points every day, and when you've saved up enough, head over to the redeem section, pick the Roblox gift card, and boom, you've got free Robux. It takes a little time, but if you stay consistent, it adds up fast, and again, no hacks, no risks of your account getting banned. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorial.